Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Mr. Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my monthly positional strategy. So where we are going to plan our monthly positional strategy for the month of July. So here we are going to find out a trade opportunity based on our advanced option strategy concepts. So we are finding opportunities based on the concepts. Here we find a monthly sheet is ready, and this sheet is updating every month. So those who are attending my classes, they know very well how to use the sheet. And just taking out some 15 stocks based on the top expected move. And these are all the stocks we are updated, and the option price will going to update almost. So I was taken a 16 stocks for a directional strategy, or you can look those stocks for a directional trade opportunity. That is a breakout kind of trade for a monthly basis, because last month, so entire concept of election results, so many stocks which triggers both call and put side, but mostly the target done in a put side. And finally, we are seeing some of the stock where it isn't showing you the call side. But this month, so we are going to take a good opportunity for a monthly positional from Monday onwards. We are going to start our monthly positional strategy, either a non-directional or a directional strategy as per your riskability and as per your convenience based on the concept. Okay, so these are all the top 15 stocks which I selected. So already you are accessing the sheet and you can also go through. And that option prices and the strike prices is not yet updated. So maybe it is going to update tomorrow. And on our monthly sheet, so these are all the blue lines like Bharati, Airtel, HCL, Exide, and LTF, M&M, Crompton, TCS, Maruti, and Bsoft. So these are all the blue line listed stocks are expected stocks to move big in a month of July. But if that stock which triggers our entry point based on the concept, then we can go for. And this is the ideal stocks for the month of July, where we can try to apply our advanced option strategies. And also I volatile stocks where we can filter out here, and you can filter by the color. So these are all the stocks which I am taken out. From this list, you need to select stocks based on the liquidity also. If the stock doesn't have a liquidity, so simply ignore. So volume and liquidity is the key factors where I'm just going to look for opportunities. So here in this case, Ultratech Cement is the top high volatile stocks, and Ramco also be there. But in the Ramco Cements there is low liquidity, so you can check with our concept of where we are making. So this is not a liquid one, and something like Chamber Fertilizer in the Bose, and maybe sometimes Atul, and Havels in the SBI, Canfin Home, it's not a liquid, Coromandel is not liquid. So mostly the stock which we have filtered based on the liquid and volumeable stocks. So from this list, top listed stocks, Bharati Airtel, HCL, Exide, and LTF. Some of the stocks, and these are all the stocks where in orange in color is high volatile. So we can apply for our strategies. And one more stocks in blue line, so which we have selected is based on the concept of our strategy. And this stocks where we can look for an opportunity, that is a positional concept, either a directional or non-directional kind of trades from this list of stocks. Maybe if entry triggers as per our strategy number 5. So strategy 5, which you can directly go for a naked options in a ATM. That is what an ATM strike price. While we are taking entry, it should be an ATM. So this strategy number 5 or strategy number 2. FO strategy is also on directional basis. We can apply on those stocks. That may be if it is triggers our entry point. Until unless, don't go for those stocks, because we are expecting the stock is to perform. Until unless if the stock is performing, so we should don't touch the stocks, and we have to wait in the performance of the stocks. And also we are updating our Google sheet, but we have some issues on our Google sheet. Not all the stocks is updated. Almost 160 stocks, around 20 stocks are missing from that list. And as of now, so you can see almost 160 stocks where it is updated our entry point. So almost 181 to 182 F&O stocks were be listed. Some of these 20 stocks are missing from our Google sheet, so we have to I'm just checking that maybe in tomorrow or before Monday morning, so we will be fixed that issue. So why it is not happening? Maybe a data issue, and full data will not be fetched, so that may be the reason. So but soon it will be recovered, and these are all the new breakout opportunities where I'm just looking at the trigger. When the trigger is happen, only we are going to filter out, and before that we are taking a entry price, strike price, and a current LTP. So no stocks were be triggered entry, because in the first of that month, so we are going to look for an opportunity, and still now no entries were been triggered, and this is an intraday also got updated. So as of now, so we have seen almost 161 stocks, so that means exactly 160. It's showing almost some 20 stocks missing, that may be fixed by tomorrow or before Monday. Okay, here also updated. As of now, the sheet is updated for the July contract, so that we are going to start from the 1st of July. Before the month starts, we are finding an opportunities and everything we are taken out. So from this list of stocks, we are going to take some of the liquid and the quality stocks where it is nearing to that breakout level. So when 100% change percentage is nearing to that 100, that should be our breakout, and it is also trigger point of our advanced option strategy, where we can utilize any of the strategy like 2.1, 1.2, and SBP strategy or FO strategy, whatever the strategies which you are looking for. So you can apply any one of the strategy at that point when the entry triggers. But we are done our monthly sheet, and only the thing is going to update in this sheet is about the strike price and the call input prices of that particular strike. And maybe soon, maybe tomorrow it will be updated because of some data. We are doing that data process. So once it is completed, you will be getting updated. But as of now, the stock selection, we find out for this kind of stocks like some 15, 16 stocks which you are taken out uh, for the month of July. So maybe I'm just this is on the beginning video where I'm updating. At the end of the month, how many stocks are doing a performance of this particular sheet, that also we can update. And this is June contract. We have this much of stocks like REC, Titan, PFC. Everything it works in a put side as well as call side, but it is a different concept. And May month we have some of the stocks from this list: TVS, Escars, Federal, Voltas, Petronet, Ashok Leyland, all are performing. JSW. So these are all the performing and triggers our entry point and given you the breakout opportunities, and we can apply any of the studies. Same like that. So this is what a pre-market selection like that. So from this, if it is triggers our breakout point where we can look those stocks to take an opportunity from this list. And this is already updated, and the weekly positional is updated right now, and it is for first of July to almost 5th of July. So that particular 5 days we are going to watch this weekly sheet, and it is not going to be changed. The strike price and entry prices, we are going to find out some 2 to 3 opportunities in weekly, and monthly is updated right now. Some of the mismatch, that is mistake, missed stocks, that will be updated soon. Once it is updated, then it will be entirely entire for this month of July. Okay, and intraday is going to update it every day basis, and today there is no liquid stocks, so everything were nearby. But we have added some more condition on that. So that is after 9:30 the sheet would be auto refresh, and only fresh breakout we are going to find out from this list. So this is what a update for the monthly positional strategy for the month of July, and soon we will be finding out the entry price and sorry strike prices and closing prices, and you will be getting updated on our uh, jackpot sheet also. That is what a monthly, weekly, intraday positional strategy sheet. So Google sheet. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and thank you for subscribing my channel. And thank you so much, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you.